Hey guys, this is Toy Genie here, and today we have the Melissa and Doug Wooden Slice and Bake Christmas Cookie Playset. Super awesome and exciting. So let's open this up. This set comes with some cookie dough. Super fun. A spatula. Silver spatula. A knife, and an oven mitt. Super cute. Let's put it on. And it comes with a cookie sheet with some cookies on it. Let's bake some cookies. Here is the cookie dough. And let's cut this first. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Let's put the cookie dough on the cookie sheet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cookie doughs. And now let's decorate our cookies. The first one I'm going to decorate with a wreath, and then a candy cane, and an adorable reindeer, pretty star, snowman, Christmas tree, gingerbread man, snowflake, mistletoe, bell, Santa, and a red snowflake. These cookies look delicious. I'm gonna take it and put it in the oven. Oh, I think the cookies are ready. I'm gonna put on my gloves. Here they are. Be careful, super hot and yummy. Let's take these off the cookie sheet and put it on a plate. Let's start with this one. Looks like we have too many cookies for the plate. Let me go get another one. Here's another one. This gingerbread cookie looks delish. Oopsie, that one almost flipped over. And finally, we have the star. Come on, scoot over. Well guys, that's it for this video. So let me know in the comment section which one of these cookies looks the most delicious to you. I think I'm gonna say the gingerbread cookie. So see you guys in the comment section. Bye-bye for now. Thank you for watching the Toy Genie channel. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And then don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to see a lot more super smiley awesome toys and surprises right here with the Toy Genie. Thanks for commenting, and until next time, be happy and keep smiling.